Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises both healthy cooking and lasting durability, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. If you're tired of scratched pans, sticky food, and worrying about what chemicals might be leaching into your meals, this set might just be your next kitchen upgrade. Let's break down what makes this cookware stand out. The foundation of any good cookware is its construction, and Nuwave highlights its premium forged construction. Forging is a process that essentially hammers metal into shape, and it's known for creating cookware that is both strong and lightweight. This means you're getting pots and pans that are built to last, can withstand the rigors of daily use, and are comfortable to handle, even when full. They claim it's a work of art where form meets function, and while that might be a bit of marketing flair, the idea of durable yet manageable cookware is certainly appealing. It's designed to perform well regardless of your skill level in the kitchen, from beginner cooks to seasoned chefs. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Coating. This is where Nuwave really focuses on the health aspect. They emphasize that this coating is eco-friendly and free from a laundry list of concerning chemicals, including PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point for many consumers who are becoming increasingly aware of the potential health impacts of traditional non-stick coatings. Furthermore, they state that this coating doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, which is another reassuring note for those who tend to cook at higher heat. They even have TUV Rhineland testing to back up their PFAS-free claims, stating that 106 known PFAS elements were tested and none were detected. That's pretty comprehensive verification. This coating is their Generation 10, or G10, Duralon Blue Ceramic. They've been refining this coating for over a decade, which suggests a commitment to improving its performance and longevity. They describe it as exceptional in every category. It's designed to heat up quickly and evenly, release food effortlessly, and be extraordinarily durable. It's important to note their explanation that the ceramic coating isn't non-stick, but gets pretty darn close. This is a good distinction to make. While it might not have the absolute slickness of some older chemical non-stick coatings, it aims to provide excellent release properties through its ceramic composition, which is generally considered a safer alternative. Durability is further reinforced by the Duralon Blue's hardness rating. It's rated at 9H. For context, diamond is rated at 10H, so this ceramic coating is extremely strong. This high hardness translates to significant resistance against abrasion, corrosion, and acid. What this means for you is that your cookware is less likely to chip, discolor over time, and crucially, its non-stick properties should last much longer. This is a common pain point with many non-stick pans. They start off great but degrade quickly. A coating that resists scratching and abrasion is key to maintaining that initial performance. Finally, we come to the heat distribution and compatibility. Every piece in this cookware set is induction ready. This is achieved through a bonded and reinforced anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom. This ensures that the cookware will work effectively on induction cooktops, which are becoming increasingly popular. Beyond just compatibility, this bonding is also responsible for delivering fast, even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, and superior heat retention. Even heating is critical for consistent cooking results, preventing hot spots that can burn food in some areas while leaving others undercooked. Superior heat retention means your food stays warmer for longer once removed from the heat. The set also comes with tempered glass lids, allowing you to monitor your cooking, and stay cool handles, which are always a welcome feature for safety and comfort. So, what are the pros and cons of the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Cookware Set? On the pro side, the Healthy Duralon Blue coating is a major advantage. Being PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, with documented testing, offers significant peace of mind for health-conscious cooks. The high hardness rating of 9H promises excellent scratch and abrasion resistance, contributing to long-term durability and sustained non-stick performance. The forged construction provides a robust yet lightweight build. It's induction ready with excellent, even heat distribution and retention, making it versatile for various cooktops and cooking styles. Plus, being dishwasher and oven safe adds to its convenience. However, there are potential cons to consider. While they state it gets pretty darn close to chemical non-stick, some users may find that the release isn't quite as effortless as very old-school chemical non-stick. Also, while durable, ceramic coatings can still be scratched by extremely sharp metal utensils or prolonged contact with abrasive scrubbers, so mindful use is still recommended. The blue color, while visually appealing to some, might not suit everyone's kitchen aesthetic. And as with any set, the specific pieces included might not be exactly what every single cook needs, so checking the configuration is important. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware set appears to be a strong contender for anyone looking for a healthier, more durable, and versatile addition to their kitchen. The emphasis on a truly non-toxic, yet high-performing non-stick surface, combined with solid construction and excellent heat distribution, makes it a very attractive option. If you prioritize health and long-term performance over the absolute slickest, potentially less healthy, non-stick surface, this set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.